Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you simple and effective way to fix overheating issue on iOS 26. If your phone feels hot while charging, gaming or using app, follow these steps. First, remove your phone case, especially if it's thick or rubber. This can trap heat and make your phone warmer than normal. Use phone without the case for a few minutes and check for temperature again. Swipe off from the bottom and pause all the apps that twitchers. Close game, video editing apps, navigation apps, social media app running in the background. This app use a lot of power and cause overheating. After that, open settings, tap on battery, lower the brightness level, turn on low power mode. This reduces background activity and processor user helps your phone to cool down faster. Go back to settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap it again and choose Wi-Fi or off. This prevent app from running in the background and gently extra heat. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.